Welcome to 745 Gold Avenue in Southeast Millcreek. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and back with another great listing. Before I get started, click the thumb to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you get notified of more about all my great listings. This one is 1,660 square feet, 4 beds, full bath, 2 half baths, full basement, 2-car attached garage, and it has a $60,000 solar panel system on the roof. Come on, we better check it out. So I'm coming in to 745 Gold Avenue, and let me just tell you again, a little over 1,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 half baths, a full bath, full basement, 2-car attached garage. All the appliances stay, including the washer and dryer and the $60,000 solar panel system. So let's go this way into the main family room. This is a nice big family room, hardwood floors, a lot of natural light from the front windows, and it flows right into the main dining area. We flow now right into the dining room. This table sits 8 people. This is a great big space. Again, hardwood floors, and then it's wide open into this really big kitchen that also has a small eating area, ceramic tile floors, and all the appliances included. So as you walk through this eating area in the kitchen, here's the door that you would come into the house from the 2-car attached garage. There's a half bath to my right, and a really nice family room here with a really nice wood burning fireplace. So once you're in the family room with the wood-burning fireplace, if you want, this flows right outside to this nice deck where you can have morning coffee, cook out with your family. It's beautiful and it's connected right here to the family room. The seller has not moved out yet, and they still have a lot of stuff in the basement, but just real quick, this basement's nice and clean and dry. They got a workout area here, a ping pong table, the washer and dryer included, and over here to my right is the power cell for the solar panel system. So those solar panels are soaking up sun all day long and storing that electricity right here, and this is what you use for your primary source of electricity. The home, though, is also connected to Penelec, just in case there isn't enough sun. So I'm upstairs now. There's 4 bedrooms, a full bath, and a half bath in the master bedroom, and then a really cool attic storage area with a little waiter on a crane that goes down to the garage, and we'll take a look at that last. 4 beds, full bath, half bath. This is an attic on the second floor off the main hallway. And the reason why I wanted to show you this, it's really great, clean, dry, heated storage. Plus, it has an elevator that goes down to the garage. So it's really easy. You don't have to carry stuff all the way up here. If it's in the garage, you put it on this elevator and you just bring it up on the winch and you store it right up here. So we're in the backyard now, and this really nice storage shed is included. And I'm standing on this great deck with outdoor furniture for awesome cookouts, hanging out, having your morning coffee. It's beautiful back here, really nice. Take a look at this. And one more thing I want to point out is there's a nice awning up there that if it's too bright out when you're out here having breakfast or dinner, you can just pull that awning down. And that is going to conclude our video tour of my new listing at 745 Gold Avenue. Again, Southeast Millcreek, about 1660 square feet, 4 beds, 2 half baths, 1 full bath, 2-car attached garage, full basement. This is listed for $285,000. Again, I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. And if you want to buy or sell real estate, I can help you. Call me. My number's below. You can text or call at 814-602-6181. And don't forget, click the thumb to like this video, click the bell for notifications, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.